Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.16. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of nearly 20% since we first identified Tesla as a buy candidate just 11 days ago. This equates to an average return of approximately 1.79% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper segment of a very wide and robust rising trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $353.55 would indicate a stronger upward momentum. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.57% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 6.62% to 22.92%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 34.59%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 5.64% to 112.64% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $321.81 and $725.19. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The Tesla stock price experienced an increase of 1.92% during the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, rising from $334.62 to $341.04. Throughout that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.79%, reaching a low of $331.39 and a high of $347.27. The price has improved in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 19.74% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on that day, with a total of 96 million shares traded for approximately $32.77 billion. It is important to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may signal potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $488.54 and a lowest price of $167.41. Currently, the price stands at 30.19%, or $147.50, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. In significant news today, crypto exchange Kraken announced it will allow users outside the United States to buy Tesla shares as digital tokens. This development offers 24-hour access to trading, likely increasing Tesla's global retail investor base and enhancing liquidity, which could positively impact its stock price in the short term. Meanwhile, Tesla faces competitive pressure as BYD outsold the company in Europe for the first time, igniting concerns about Tesla's market share in a key region. While this news hasn't yet moved TSLA shares substantially, continued competitive losses could exert downward pressure on the stock in the longer term. Despite this competition, Tesla has seen a notable rally in its stock, with a 33.5% increase since its last earnings report, indicating strong market sentiment and investor confidence. The next few months will be crucial as analysts navigate Tesla's valuation under the cloud of increasing competition and market dynamics. Lastly, Tesla's initiative to sell used models directly from its website indicates a strategic move to capitalize on a growing market segment, potentially improving its overall revenue stream. However, shares recently dipped 2.7%, reflecting ongoing investor caution around Tesla's sales performance in both Europe and China. This combination of factors could create volatility in TSLA stock, influencing investor sentiment and price action in the near future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla an overweight rating while also maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have evaluated the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal emerges, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately 343.08. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around 282.45. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock warrants close observation. Negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the short-term outlook. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025, and thus far the stock has declined by 2.55%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence. This indicates a buy signal. Pivots. The sell signal was observed 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal emerged 72 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average reflected a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 59 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.95 and $282.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support. In this instance, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $284.95. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $282.76 and $272.20. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $15.88 between its high and low, or 4.79%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.76%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $410 million. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $342.80. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. Tesla faces its first support level at $284.95. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Tanazha Vaibhav, who bought and sold 17,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 56.908. In total, insiders purchased 907,500 shares and sold 3,248,712 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting a stop loss at $327.82. Reflecting a decrease of 3.88%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, paired with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level presents a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the near future. We have updated our analysis for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a hold accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we anticipate Tesla to open lower by $1.14, beginning the day at $339.90. We want to remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.